In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Odoo all the way to saving your new contact so you can start using it in your day-to-day work right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and that you're on the main dashboard. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This area usually gives you access to different apps and modules depending on your permissions, and it's a good starting point when you want to navigate to contacts. From here, open the Contacts app. Once the Contacts page loads, you'll see a list of existing contacts. At the top, you should see a button labeled New. Click on New to start creating a brand new contact record. This will open a blank contact form. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the basic information, like the contact's name and whether this is an individual or a company. Then move on to the key fields that are important for your workflow, such as email address, phone number, and physical address. If you work with different departments or need accounting details, you may also see additional fields like job position, company name, or tags to categorize the contact. Take a moment to enter as much accurate information as possible, because these details will be used across other Odoo modules like sales, invoicing, or CRM. Once your main contact information is complete, look for the option to add related contacts. You'll see a button or link labeled Add Contact. Click on Add Contact if you need to create subcontacts, such as specific people within a company, different shipping or billing addresses, or department level contacts. This is especially useful if you work with the same organization but different people for sales, finance, or support. After clicking Add Contact, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Odoo will guide you through any additional fields or options. Continue filling out the information it requests, confirming each section as you go. When everything looks correct, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a new contact in Odoo, and it's